So we're on our project here, again, 213 Central Street, and we're going to be working on footings to hold up the support beams that we've installed to actually hold the structure up while we remove the first floor to do the framing to tie it into the new foundation. So one of the complicated parts is getting this old foundation taken apart without getting hurt and without disturbing what still exists of some critical foundation components that we're trying to save. So check it out, we're going to take these rocks out. The moment of truth. So anyways, what's really cool about this project is a lot of the different things we're repurposing. So these big flat stones here that are in the foundation, they're actually going to another job right now. We're going to ship these off to another job. And if you look up top and see all those granite pieces that are the top foundation caps, a lot of that stuff is going to be repurposed here around the property. In one area, we're going to make a fireplace here on the inside, and a lot of these granite caps are going to be used for the side stones on top of the fireplace that'll actually be in the basement. So the secondary footing is right here that we're doing. This is going to get poured this afternoon. So this will hold up, again, that main beam that is going to hold up ultimately the house once we take out the first floor. So we're just putting in two more. You got the one out there in the end. We'll have another one about 12 feet in, a third another 12 feet in, and there's one hidden in this wall that you can't exactly see, but that's also on a permanent footing inside the house. These footings here, unfortunately, will be taken out at a later date, the two on the inside. Once the steel beam goes in, there's going right above this on the outside. We're going to put a steel beam in, which will then tie the two floors together. Because what's going to happen is that piece of granite's going to fall out, and it's going to hopefully bounce off the rock underneath it. All right, Jim, so all you got to pay attention to, okay, is if it looks like it's coming your way, just bail, okay?
Yeah, baby.